In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an interactive button in Figma for beginners. Start inside your Figma project. Look to the very top left corner and click the Figma logo to open the main menu. From that menu, hover over Plugins, then choose Manage Plugins. This takes you to the place where you can browse, install, and organize tools that expand what Figma can do. In the search field, type Smart Button Generator. When you see it in the results, select it, then click Run. If Figma asks for any permissions, go ahead and confirm so the plugin can open properly. You should now see the Smart Button Generator panel appear. If the panel doesn't pop up right away, open the main menu again, go to Plugins, and click Smart Button Generator from your list to bring it up. With the plugin open, it's time to customize your button. Start with the text label. Keep it short and action-oriented, like sign in or get started, so it's scannable. Pick a font family, size, and weight that match your project's style, and keep accessibility in mind by ensuring the label remains legible on small screens. Next, set your button's color. Choose a fill that stands out against your background and aim for good contrast to support readability. Many designers test contrast to meet accessibility guidelines, especially for primary call-to-action buttons. Adjust the corner radius to control how rounded the button feels, from crisp square edges to a soft pill shape. Tweak the horizontal and vertical padding so the button feels balanced. Generous padding often improves touch targets and overall comfort. If the plugin offers icon options, you can add an icon to the left or right of the label and fine-tune its spacing. You can also enable a stroke or a subtle shadow to give the button structure and depth, which helps it stand out in busier layouts. Since we're creating an interactive button, look for controls that generate states such as default, hover, pressed, and disabled. Having consistent variance makes prototyping smoother and helps developers understand expected behaviors. When everything looks right, finalize your choices in the plugin so it generates the button on your canvas. Your button is now ready for use. You can drag it into frames, duplicate it for alternate versions, and rename layers to stay organized. If you plan to reuse it across screens, consider turning it into a component with variants so updates stay consistent. And when you move into prototyping, you can wire flows to swap states on events like hover and click. That's it. Congratulations on building your interactive button in Figma.